Welcome to the GIAC Certified Incident Handler, GCIH, Complete Guide. This course is designed to help you build essential cybersecurity skills, focusing on incident handling, detection, and response. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and organizations need trained professionals who can identify, contain, and mitigate security incidents before they cause significant damage. Whether you're a security professional, system administrator, network engineer, IT support staff, or someone interested in cybersecurity, this course will provide the knowledge and hands-on experience needed to handle real-world cyber threats effectively. The GCIH certification is a globally recognized credential that proves your expertise in cybersecurity incident response. It is widely respected in the industry and is often required for incident responder, security analyst, and SOC, Security Operations Center roles. By earning this certification, you demonstrate that you can handle active security breaches, analyze cyber attacks, and implement the necessary steps to recover from an incident efficiently. This course follows a structured and hands-on approach, ensuring that you gain both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. We will cover a range of topics, starting with incident handling fundamentals, including why cybersecurity incidents happen, how attackers think, and how organizations can prepare for them. We will then explore the SANS 6-step incident handling process, which includes preparation, identification, containment, eradication, recovery, and lessons learned. Understanding this framework is crucial for anyone working in cybersecurity, as it provides a standardized approach to handling security breaches. Next, we will dive into attack vectors and exploitation techniques, covering common hacking tactics such as social engineering, phishing, network attacks, and malware infections. You will learn how attackers gain access to systems, how they escalate privileges, and how they move laterally across a network. This knowledge will help you understand how cybercriminals operate and what defensive measures can be taken to stop them. We will also explore essential tools and techniques for incident response, including network traffic analysis with Wireshark, host-based forensics, memory analysis, and threat intelligence gathering. These tools help cybersecurity professionals detect malicious activity, investigate security breaches, and develop effective countermeasures. Additionally, we will discuss advanced threats such as ransomware and nation-state attacks, covering how these threats operate, how to detect them early, and best practices for mitigation. To make your learning experience interactive and practical, this course includes quizzes, hands-on labs, and real-world case studies. You will get the opportunity to work with simulated cyber attacks in a controlled environment, helping you gain practical experience in incident response. Labs will include tasks such as investigating security breaches, analyzing malicious files, and responding to simulated ransomware attacks. To get the most out of this course, follow the modules in order, participate actively in hands-on labs, and take notes on key concepts. Completing the quizzes will help reinforce your learning and prepare you for the GCIH certification exam. By the end of this course, you will have the skills, knowledge, and confidence to respond to cybersecurity incidents effectively and take the next step in your cybersecurity career. Let's get started.